How to turn off Instagram notifications on your iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open Settings and Activity. Now tap Notifications. At the top of the page, you'll see the Pause All option. If you want to temporarily stop all Instagram notifications, turn on Pause All. Then choose how long you want to pause notifications. If you'd rather customize your notifications, leave Pause All turned off. Scroll down and you'll see different categories, including posts, stories and comments, following and followers, messages, calls, live and reels, fundraisers, from Instagram, and more. Tap any category. For example, if you want to stop message notifications, tap Messages. And turn off the message request. You can do the same for likes, comments, live videos, reels, and other notifications. If you're still receiving Instagram notifications after changing these settings, you can also disable them from your iPhone. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Instagram. Then tap Notifications. Finally, turn off Allow Notifications.
This completely blocks Instagram notifications on your iPhone, including banners, sounds, badges, and lock screen alerts. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Instagram notifications on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.